Alright, so now let's start with Mother's Day sub-niche research. So you all know that the Mother's Day is a huge and big niche. I'm damn sure there will be thousands over thousand designs and results on Amazon for Mother's Day. So if you just planning to have a text on a shirt that says Happy Mother's Day and throw it on Amazon and expect some sales, then I'm sure that that is not going to happen, or that is not going to happen so quickly. So if you want to make sure you're getting some efficient sales well before Mother's Day, and you are spending your time on some right keywords, then just make sure to watch this video till the end, and also the following sequence videos, because I'm going to make 2 or 3 series for 2 or 3 episodes for this special Mother's Day niche research. So let's get started on this one. So to continue with Mother's Day niche research, I will create another Excel sheet that will be just for Mother's Day sub niches. So let's name it as Mother's Day sub niches. Okay. So here we will put our sub niches. So I will name this column as Amazon searches, right? Amazon searches. So the results we will be getting from Amazon, we'll put them here. Okay. So all right, now let's go to Amazon Marketplace. Okay, and then simply type Mother's Day shirt. You can see 50,000 results. So this is actually insane, right? So we must need to niche this down and go for a sub niche where the results are below, like 200 or 300 results. So this will take a little bit of time. It's not something you can just go and do immediately. That's why the niche research process is a process that requires your patience and also your focus, right? So first thing first, let me share you some basic ideas. The Mother's Day shirts are for women's, right? So that means results that you can see here, they are listed for both men and women, but we actually are designing for women that are mothers, or that will be probably a sister of some brothers. So the consumers are actually women. So what we can do as a trick when listing our designs for Mother's Day is we can just select the women option only and unselect the men and youth. So that means whenever your design will be previewed here, they will be previewed as a women's shirt, and that will attract the customers concentration at the very beginning. So these are some tips and tricks that may help you to withstand with your design immediately. So make sure to publish your designs for women's only, and that will also help the Amazon algorithm to understand that this is a women product, and they will rank higher when someone searching for a Mother's Day shirt or a shirt that is related to women's, right? So these are these are some tricks you must follow while designing for Mother's Day. Now let's go to sub niches and see what comes. There are so many results coming. I will actually use the Merce Informer tool, right? The free tool. So that will just show the novelty shirts. Merce Research tool, right? And let me see how I can get it. Probably this one. Give me a minute, please, and be a little patient. So resources, Merce Research. Yes, here we are. So now let's type here Mother's Day shirt and search for the results. Now you can see it's reduced to 10,000 results. We are going to our target already, and let's see what it says. Ball Mother's Day shirt. So this is something they are crossing with the sports and Mother's Day. And also this is something leopard. So leopard is something you can actually cross with your Mother's Day shirts, because leopard is always a good thing to cross with your designs to attract especially the women's. So you can see they are actually crossing it with a St. Patrick's Day, but St. Patrick's Day is already over, so let's just skip them. And Italian, this one says Women's Sleeper Day, Mom, Mooch, all day, every day, Mama, Mother's Day. So it says every day, all day, every day, all day, every day, all day. Okay, so Mom, Mooch, all day, every day, right? Let's take this for a while. Mom, Mooch, every day, all day. Okay, let's go for the Merge Informer tool again. Resources and merge search. Okay, now let's put our latest keyword. Let's just skip them. Keep the main keyword that says Mormont all day every day, right? Now just put on search and it says 199 results. So let me see if they are all relevant or not. This one is the one we searched for it, and another result, and Mormont all day every day, Mormont all day every day. So they are just coming, you know. March 12, 2022, December 31, 2021. These guys proactive. They just listed this shirt well before Mother's Day. So I think you can keep this in your bucket. Though the BSR isn't looking that great yet, but this is just a new product that come to Amazon Marketplace. You can see the design with BSR that just listed on December 24, 2021 last year. So means this design haven't passed the Mother's Day wave yet. So we never know what is going to happen with this design. It might get crazy BSR, or it might get some sales, or it might not get any sales. But you can take the chance, right? There's nothing to lose. So let's keep this niche in our bucket. So we have got one niche that says Mom Mooch all day every day. Now let's go and have a look at other niches if we can find. So another thing, this are not directly related to the niche research thing. Whenever you are going for Amazon niches, and especially the designs, there are some particular things that are favored by the customers. And if you talk about the women consumers, the messy bun, you can see this graphic. This graphic is known as messy bun. So the messy bun and the leopard, these things are always being favored by the women consumers. So there's nothing to lose if you can just cross this design you know, trips with your any niche. So we can always keep this messy bun and leopard thing in our bucket and cross them with our suitable niche. So we will just keep this thing in our list, so we can just, you know, cross them with our design whenever it's possible. So I will make actually a design video for this Mother's Day niches. So just stick around with my videos, guys. There will be 2 or 3 episodes of this Mother's Day niche research. So I will surely have 1 or 2 episodes only for the design of Mother's Day niches. So just stick around with my videos, guys. So the other thing is leopard. Okay, so these 2 things we can keep in our concern. All right, so let's see what we can get else. The sunflower graphic, this is another thing for sure we can keep in our concern. So you're just not doing niche research, you're also doing some design ideas research, right? So we have got sunflower, messy bun, and leopard. And this one says world's dopest mom. This is I'm not sure if you got what I'm trying to say here. This one is actually related to the cannabis and marijuana. I'm not sure, guys, if this is safe, because it relates to the cannabis industry. So I'll skip this for a while and I'll note this later to you guys if this is safe or not. Just skip this for now. And another thing, you can actually See this one, nurse and mother baby. So you can probably cross the nurse mom. That means nurse into mom. So nurse mom. You got a cross idea here. That is nurse and mom. So you can probably keep this in your list. A volleyball mom. We have artist mom. We have dance mom. So many things going on here, guys. So mom and nurse. So there's a quote here. I have two titles, mom and nurse. So yes, let's have a look at this niche, guys. I have two titles, mom and nurse. Results are over 1,000. Yes, this is actually a saturated niche, I guess. So yeah, we will skip this because it's not worthy to go anymore. And we have my favorite doctor calls me mom. Alright, so my favorite doctor call me mom. Let's have a look at this. Results are 698 and not a huge number, but let's see if we can just niche this down more. So my favorite doctor calls me mom, and my favorite people call me mom. Okay, and Fennec Fox is my spirit animal, not this one actually. So my favorite people call me Pop Pop. Oh, it's a Father's Day shirt. So and that's it. I guess we have this ant here. My favorite ant calls me mom. So yeah, I'll just keep this in our list because the results are not huge. My favorite doctor calls me mom. So let's just keep this in our list for a while. Now let's go and dig more, right? Gigi. I'm not sure what this Gigi come from. I mean, what this means actually. But my first Mother's Day as a babushka. What is this? I'm not sure. So let's dig and dig and dig. That's all what we have got to do. So I have two little mom. I have two titles, mom and Omi. Okay, this is a sub niche, and this is something actually I was talking about at the beginning of this video. You can see these guys really clever. They just listed that design for women's only, so you can see the thumbnail is different from this one. These are listed for men and men. I don't understand why you will actually list a design that is for mothers or women's only. So why you will actually put the men category into it? The men are not going to wear this design. I'm not sure, but I believe men are not going to, obviously not going to buy this design for them. This will be worn by the women. So why not just click the women's only and publish this product for women's and have this thumbnail, so we can attract the customers' attention at the very first go. Just do it. So let's try this. Women's. I have two titles, mom and Omi. So let's skip this title and have a search for this. So many less results. So I think this is a good number, 109 results. And let's see if we have some BSS on it. Mom and grandma, mom and nurse, mom and papa professional, mom and Oma, Omi, Oma, Mini. We have so many things here. I think we can just keep this in our list because this is a niche that you can just scale up with one design, right? Because you can have grandmother, you can have grandma, you can have Gigi, you can have Mini, you can have Omi, you can have Oma, you can have nurse. So with one graphic, this is probably going to be helpful for the tier 500 and above. So you can just have one design that is for, I have two titles, mom and dash. So in the dash, you will put Oma, nurse, Mini, papa professional, and grandma, grandmother, whatever you feel. Just scale it up, right? So this is something for scale up, and let's keep this in our bucket. All right, let's go and dig more. And this is going to be a little long video. Just keep your patience. Best stock move ever. I'm sure this is already saturated niche, so let's skip this one. And Joe Black Mother. All right, this is something crossed with the African women's Joe Black Mother. Let's see how many results we have for this. This can be higher. Oh, 172 guys. So yes, and you know the African women or African dish is always hot favorite. So if you can just cross this with mom or Mother's Day, you are on the right track, right? So obviously we'll have this in our bucket, and this is one of the go-to niche for us. And I will pick another niche, and I will end this video on 5 niches, but it's not the end. You are good to go to niche to dig further and further. You can probably spend 1 and 2 hours. There's nothing to lose if you're on tier 10 and dig more and more, and have 1 or 2 efficient niche for yourself and then upload for it. So if I just go and do all of the niche research here, and you all are already aware of the niches, then it won't help any of you either. So it's better you go by yourself and do this niche research and find the niche for yourself, and this way different people will find different niches for them, and everyone will eventually have some chances for their sales. So that's why I will just end this video on 5 niches, and I will leave the rest on to you guys. So let's go and have a look. Okay, mama corn. I believe this will be a huge niche, but uh, let's just give this a try. Mama corn, 103 results, but I'm not convinced because it can have higher results, because this is not a low competition niche, I believe. So let's just search this on Amazon Marketplace directly. Mama corn shirt, 571. Really, guys? So I think you can cross this one as well. So obviously if you put mama corn and Mother's Day together, then the results will be less and you have higher chances of getting sales. So another hot niche, guys, we've got mama corn Mother's Day shirt. For sure, man, for sure. You just have to give this chance a try. So we'll just keep this in our bucket. Mother's Day, mama corn, Mother's Day. That's it, guys. So I've got 5 niches, I mean sub niches for Mother's Day, and on the next video I'll show you how to do Mother's Day niche research outside of Amazon.com. You know what, we have Etsy, we have Pinterest, and those are the gold mine for niche research. That's not only Amazon.com. So obviously I will do separate videos for Etsy and Pinterest, and we'll have some niche research on those platforms, and we also try to validate those niche via Amazon. So till then, happy March, goodbye, and see you on the next episode of Mother's Day niche research videos. Thank you, guys.